to find the shortest distance and the lines are in the Cartesian form. Let x plus 1 upon 7 is equal to y plus 1 upon negative of 6 z plus 1 upon 1 be equation 1. Now, equation 1 passes through -1, -1 and -1 with direction ratios direction cosines, okay, 7, -6 and 1. Now, let x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 5 upon minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 upon 1. Now, the equation passes through three, 5 and 7 and direction cosines this. Now we are going to use formula, direct formula for the shortest distance. We are having now from equation 1 x1 is equal to negative of 1, y1 negative of 1, z1 negative of 1, x2 3, y2 5 and z2 7 with direction cosines. L1 is 7, m1 is equal to negative of 6, n1 is equal to 1, L2 1, m2 minus 2 and n2 1. Now these are the values we got from the equations. Now using the formula, shortest distance is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1, m1, n1, L2, m2, n2 upon square root of m1 n2 minus m2 n1 whole square plus n1 l2 minus n2 l1 whole square plus L1 m2 minus L2 m1 whole square. Now this is the formula. We have already derived the formula. Now either you can do directly step by step, or best part is just solve this part differently and this part differently. Okay. So now let's do numerator in the different form. Now we are having x2 minus x1. Now x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus minus 1, y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1 and z2 with L1 7 minus 6 1 and 1 minus 2 1. Okay. Best part is to solve this separately. Now this becomes 4 6 8 7 6 negative of 6 1 1 negative of 2 and 1. Now expanding along R1 4 times minus 6 with and plus 8 with plus 6. Now this becomes 4 with negative of 4 minus 6 with 6 plus 8 with minus 8. Now this becomes negative of 16, negative of 36, negative of 64 is equal to negative 116. One thing. Then denominator. Now this is equal to, now m1 n2, m1 and n2. Now minus 6 1 minus m2 n1, m2 n1 minus 2 is 1 whole square plus. Now this is, if you are writing this in the manner of the determinant, then that will be much better, okay, in the rough side. Okay, now we are having n1 l2. Now n1 l2, it means 1 times 1 minus l1 n2. Okay, so it is 1 minus 7 whole square. Now I am just showing you how to do directly. And then third is plus l1 m2, l1 m2 minus 14 and plus 6, minus 14 plus 6 its square. Now this becomes minus 6 plus 2, that is 16 minus 6 plus 2 square of negative of 4. Okay, let me write it. Negative of 4 whole square plus minus 6 whole square plus minus 8 whole square. So this becomes square root of 16 plus 36 plus 64 is equal to square root of 1, 1 and 6. Now shortest distance required, shortest distance is equal to negative 116 upon square root of 116. This is equal to negative of 2 root 29. Now distance cannot be negative, therefore 2 root 29 units is the answer.